as we all know that the 5 apex body have appealed to the government, submitting a memorandum on last year, September 2024, to the Chief Minister of Nagaland. After a lapse of 7 years, 7 months, 7 months before, Amigan ultimatum dishe. That is on April 26, 2025. So our ultimatum 26 se khatam hoise, holeme government bra properly address kora nai. Itu nimite amigan aji du jagate jama korise. That is because of the 48 years of indefinite reservation policy in Nagaland. Apni sob jani ase. And thank you so much everyone for coming here. Pani Purilibe apni umbrella tak logina ado. It shows that you have a deep concern on this issue. Thank you so much everyone. Program da ami public distribution kora nai. Itu media ami burigina honai dibo. So that all the dignitaries in the program are requested to come forward and take your time one after another. Public protest rally against 48 years of indefinite reservation policy in Nagaland. Date 29, Aji ase, time 9:30. Venue, it's here, DC Court Junction, Dimapur. Chairperson, myself, Shimo Moji, the members, 5 Tribes Committee. Invocation already been done by our ex-deacon, Lota Baptist Church, Dimapur. Keynote address, GK Jimo, Member Secretary, 5 Tribe Committees. Short speech will be delivered by President Chakro Angami Kuda Union, President Ausenden Telemjung Dimapur, Chairman Dimapur Lota Hoho, 4th President Rengma Public Organization Dimapur, number 5 President Dimapur Sumi Council, number 6 Chairman East Dimapur Sumi Council. Amigala program itu sabte jabo, bishi duri nalobo, please bear with us. Now I request GK Jimo, Member Secretary, to address the keynote address.
Units who have turned up here today, and also the concerned parents, students, youths who have gathered here despite the inclement weather. It shows your deep concern to the issues that we have raised and the issues that we are taking in the agitation form to highlight to the government. As you all know, we have called a protest rally to protest against 48 years of indefinite reservation policy. Sab khan garde naga mistri koi dibo. 48 years indefinite reservation policy ko ato tate eko change na kina ini jai ase aru ito to half century hobole hoi jaise. Ito garde 5 tribes have come for the first time on this platform to put our grievances to the government and to the policy makers. Apni khan bhi jani thakbo social media de bhi ulai jaise olebi aru for the benefit of the uninitiated. 1977 prior to first backward reservation ko gina 25% di gina start korise, and it was supposed to be reviewed every 10 years. To 1987 te 10 years time te to renew review kora jamte a lot of time lagi thakne 89 te this will continue until further orders ko to 48 years te pahunchi jaise. Aru 25% reservation pra start kora to ija to kiman di boya ase koile 41% pahunchi jaise. Aru during the last 38 years, that is after 87, there have been 7 review committees. 7 review committees, whether it be a cabinet subcommittee or a committee headed by a bureaucrat or whatever. However, the 7 cabinet committees te kitte bhi amakan non-backward tribes la opinion lo nai. Khali backward tribe khan ke mati kina aru ta khala grievances huni kina ta khala percentage bhara is to here ase. Noile kitte bhi 7 review committees have never invited the non-backward tribes to hear our opinion. And for that, maybe at that point of time, we felt that justice should be done to our least privileged brothers and sisters who deserve it. But in today's time, 48 years oshe, it's time for review. It's time to include us. Review korisha gola, it's time to take our opinion. No hele to khali. Kon paya ase takan ke huti kina aru uthi itu to kitta bin hobo. That's why amakan 5 tribes advance ko gina itu la khushi te man complacency bahut 40 years amakan kiman nuksan hoise apni kan sab feel kure ase. Now 2016 the first time our 5 student bodies para Angami Students Union, our students conference, then Rengma Students Union, Lota Students Union, and all Simi Students Union. Pasta student bodies na core committee on review of rationalization and review of reservation policy ko gina khulishe. Tai khani to issue 6 years loi jaise de. Aru government ke 6 charter of demands itu place kurise. Itu kan ki ase gole moi read out koribo. Implementation of creamy layer. Itu to apni kan sab jane ase. Baba bhi avail korise, bacha bhi avail korise, aur grandson bhi avail koribole time hoi jaise to. Itu implementation creamy layer koi nahi to hata bole. Baba enjoy korise koile to bacha khan karne to hata bol lage. Second is pocket wise reservation. Amakan advance so called advance koliba amakala jaga sab advance no hoy do. Kunma pocket to backward area bhi para bhi man backward ase. Itu charter dimension number 2. 3 is equal criteria in educational qualification. Ekta post amakan graduate thakile दूसरा BT avail kura khan to +2 inika disparity thaka. 40 category options for competitive exam. Whether I want to avail the general category or avail the backward category, itu avail kuribole. And fifth is cut-off marks for competitive exam. Ita tok to piche de itu backlog te aibole be cut-off mark nai khali ekjon hi thakile aru post reserve thakile ini paya ase. Itu makan student bodies for highlight kura to itu cut-off marks thakibole. And then time framed review of reservation policy. Because 10 years to kuribola laga to kita bhi corona. To student bodies पर तो 6 charter of demands place कुछ government के 6 years ये तो struggle जाइए 2022 ते government पर cabinet sub committee खोलेगे ना सब के ये तो aggrieved और ये तो कान के लोग करेंगे ना पीछे ते ये लगा excuse until next census is carried out the review will not happen तादे पर ये तो issue बंद कर देशे ये तो कार्ड है 2023 day 5 apex tribes APO then Osenden, then Lota Hoho, then Rengma Hoho, then Simi Hoho. 5 tribe bodies came together. It is Amakan student bodies for 6 years in issue Lojalebi, it has not made headway. It's time for Apex to step in Goyana. 5 tribal bodies, August 2023 Lok Kurigana. Amakan committee coalition, Ekta tribe, Ekta Manupatagana. We have 5 members in this committee called 5 Tribes Committee on Review of Reservation Policy, headed by President Rengma Ho, Engineer Tesinlo Semi as convener and 4 other members. So, Amakan aji highlight kora the 5 tribes for call Kurashna apni kana hato aru thanks jana diye se. Amakan bhi pat to SUT gusanai homework to kurishe. We did our homework, we met people, we sought opinions. Aru to chede. Then we had a meeting with the Apex. We came to a conclusion that these are the core issues. Firstly, duration of reservation, applican indefinite that has to be limited. Second is reservation within reservation. Now in Nagaland, there's a three-tier resolution. First, 80% is reserved for the indigenous inhabitant of Nagaland. Ito bidode ami ko answer 41% reserve ho jase. Three-tier. The third one is the backlog reservation. Three-tiered. We'll come on that later. Then discrimination arising out of multiple benefits and flexible option. Tadi ki ase koile ekta to post bhi reserve ko deshe minimum cut off nai age relaxation bhi di de lower educational qualification bhi di de. These are the examples. Then the creamy layers as I explained earlier. Then the backlog vacancy 2015 te backlog vacancy aru kura to jude ekta tribe te ekta post jude example SDO mechanical ekta tribe kani rakhishe koile that will go on for 20 years. That is going on for 6-7 years also until unless a person from that tribe applies. Ito moi example dibo. Ajikali CESC to be precise. Common Educational Service Exam te apni kan be sab dictionary result. PGT or graduate teacher la result te 47 backlog vacancies are still there and it has been continuing from the last 5-6 years. To qualified manu nai from the reserve category, that should be de-reserved and given to our children. Wala amakan na children khan na pae. Jaigana amakan government kisaman to backward reserve backlog khan na para karni amakan so-called advanced qualified candidate ase contract appointment kurle to be advanced tribe khan to backdoor going amakan ke badnami de. Whereas there is no qualified candidate to fill in that post. Isn't that a discrimination to us? That is I'm highlighting to the crowd. That's why the 5 Tribes Committee came to a decision to submit a memorandum to the Honorable Chief Minister as the political head of the state. Jalsal 20 September 2024 de Dimawade Chief Minister ke amakan committee log kurishe Chief Minister ke memorandum submit kurishe. Memorandum is in public domain. What all have been submitted. Amakan koishe, if the government is not sincere enough to review the reservation policy, because they will keep citing data, nai census kora nai itu kole, aro time phila ke review kuruba mona thakile, reservation scrap kuri dibe, aro nohile first option is just scrap the reservation policy, or second itu bhi kuruba mon himmat na thakile to unreserved kota to khali amakan 5 tribes ke DDB. People may say this is an unreasonable demand. Well, if the government is not serious to review, to get into the details, we have no options but to demand the scrapping of the policy as well as, or give us the balance of unreserved quota. That was our demand. Amakat ki hoise koile 7 months hoise government iko tade khobor bhi denai chupchap bohise. Last year during Hornbill, some were suggesting Hornbill tamde amakan protest kuro ban kuro bole bhi as 5 so-called advanced tribes. We also felt that was not an appropriate moment to discredit our own state when people from outside are coming. That was the wisdom of the committee and the apex tribes as so-called advanced tribe. But the government didn't care for that. They took our silence for granted. It went for 7 months. 26th April day, ultimatum submit korise. The contents are available in the public domain. Paper di puri lashe. We reiterated the same thing. Government chupchap thakise. Ikur khobor nai. Then 14 May day, amakan ultimatum submit korab chede. Power Minister, who is also government spokesman, 14 May day ki koise koile. There will be no review of reservation policy until the census is completed. Hare itu to amakan ultimatum dia aru government spokesman ko to ulta hoise. Itu to amakan bhi ekta step to lobo koina 24th May, last Saturday, we had a joint meeting in which we decided to have different forms of agitation to ensure that our demands are met, to ensure that our grievances are redressed. That's why Amakan 24th day to call the first phase of agitation is starting today. Amakan ito agitation card is sab ke khabar dikina preparation jadamte kali morning di government laga ekta chitti aisha Amakan convener day, and that was signed on 25th, that is Sunday. Amakan ke koise 7th May day cabinet government par ekta committee review kubla form kurdise apni kan ini call off kurbi apni kan bhi dekisho bola into contents. Now if you see the contents of the letter, it's not about an ego issue. If they had signed on 25, why don't they tell us on that day itself? Why did it take 3 days to reach us? That was just an excuse to derail the momentum that we are having to ensure that the justice is done. Because if we say the contents of the letter, it is lacks serious commitment on the part of the government. We will go ahead with our demands. Ito para government to aro ito ko hapche de 3rd June day amakan 5 tribes ke aro inviting us to the meeting. Inviting us to the meeting to have a discussion to the meeting chaired by the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. Inikatante aro they were pressuring us also to call up the agitation, but we say no, that is not enough here. We will also have a protest on that very day at the Secretariat also when the meeting is going on. Today is just a trailer. In Hindi we call it Abhi picture baki hai. This is just a starting. And today I request each and every citizen present here that let's take it to a logical conclusion. Inika chance na babude 5 tribes coming on a single platform. Today the government may invite us. That doesn't mean that we derail the momentum. We have to proceed ahead. Ito to kon tribe against na day. Kubo koile. If the government in all fairness listens to our demand and implements our demand, it is, as I said earlier in a TV interview, it is going to benefit all the people, especially the weaker sections of the society. That's why this is not only about a fight for 5 tribes, it's about the fight for every people, especially people, our least privileged people. That's why we are here today. Our message to the government should be very loud and clear. 48 years of indefinite reservation policy is enough. It is time for the government to take a comprehensive or a serious review. Otherwise, the government has no business to just sit on it and ensure and see that our 5 tribes, always so-called advanced tribes, we have become the aggrieved tribes as of now. Request, I say, especially I see so many parents. This is the love and concern for your children, your grandchildren, for the youths who have turned up here. The future is yours. This is the fight for you. Amakanto, for me, I have nothing to gain whether reservation comes or not. But the future is yours. The future is for my children, my grandchildren. And the same is applicable to each and every one of you present here today. That's why today is the starting point of agitation. Whenever the agitations are being called or whenever the agitations are scheduled, please do ensure that you cooperate maximum. At the end of the day, you yourself will be satisfied if our demands get through and if justice is done to the 5 tribes. With this, I conclude my words. Thank you each and everyone for coming on here today. Thank you.
This is a historic day for all of us standing here today. The historic gathering of 5 tribes together in unity and in one voice to demand from the government of the day to deliver justice by reviewing the reservation policies. We are gathered here today not against any tribe, not against any political party or individual leader, but we are gathered here to ask for justice and equality for all of us. We are gathered here today representing the voices of the people of the state. We know that certain tribes, certain area locality, as stated by our our secretary, deserve reservation, but the actual deserving candidates are deprived of their due share. For quite some time, we have been feeling the heat of the need to immediately review this. As already stated, so many representations have been already presented before the government, but government has not taken anything in any concrete step. This is not only felt by our 5 so-called advanced tribes, but if we are to confess, this is being felt by even the so-called all other tribes. So why we need this review immediately is, I will like to also touch upon 1 or 2 points. Because of the time limit, I will touch only 1 or 2 points. We know that there are cases where one family, one Creamy family living in Dimapur, Kohima, and in their own palace comfort zone, they have been enjoying the reservation quota of the entire tribe of their tribe. 5, 6, 7 of them have already from one family. This is also not fair to them. That is why we need this review for them also. They are studying in best colleges, best coaching centers, and they are exploiting this flaws of the reservation policy. Another backlog, as already stated, is the backlog issue. Candidates, if suitable candidate is not found for a particular reserve category, this is kept vacant, and we know from sources that there are some vacancies being kept for 15 years together. 15 years. Since 2015. That is already we have this in the 10th year. And still no candidate is coming forward, so that vacancy is still. This has a serious drawback for especially the education department. We said there is no teacher, but this cannot be filled up because of non-availability of the candidates. This is also one serious drawback. And then jump in from one category to another. We demand that either you opt this category or that category, and it should be our own merit basis. If you want to compete from that category, you compete and finish it from that category. Or if you want the other side, you opt for it. But the drawback here is that when you do well, when we could do well, you are depriving the seat of a general category candidate by taking away the seat. And when you could not do well, you are again taking, so you have the advantage of double barrel gun di gene ekজন ke single gun barrel dise ekজন ke double di gene দুইজন ke hunting competition te pota nishina duita guli aru ekta guli di gene edu nishina tu thik nai aru ekta dangor flowback dikhi ase minimum standard of marks nai pass mark school debi 30% 40% pass mark thake yade pass mark nai general category kan 80 marks score korle bhi kam pa nai yade 15 marks pa ke ne bhi kam pai jase edu standard e nai edu to hole to review koribo lage there should be whether you are enjoying backward quota or any other quota there should be at least minimum standard of qualification marks aru ekta case ase ekjon to 0 to pa nai ola hole bhi ekku koribo para nai in technical paper he hardly scored 10 marks but he was given so the commission has objected to his case he went to the court and he won and out of 100 he scored 10 marks in his technical paper and he got a job now he must be running a big office tade kile edu court pra enika korise gole reservation policy te edu case nai edu provision rakhi dise this in such case the commission may take its own decision kokine edu hatabo lage there should be minimum standard whether you are from this or that aru ami laga piche de bhi manu beshi ase edu karne ami beshi time na lobo points edu kan ami bhi ekta duita edu kan point out kuri ase I also want to take this opportunity to appeal to all those of you who are gathered here today to stand behind our empowered leaders selected by our apex bodies, whether rain or sun, whether night or day. We will pledge to stand behind them. We have started this together. Let us finish it together. Thank you for this support.
On behalf of Aung San Suu Kyi as well as Ao Kagachar Tolongcham Dimapur, I would like to thank everyone for bearing this weather, standing here and taking this matter very seriously. There are so many things to say, but then as we all know, what is there and what is right and what is wrong, everyone knows it very clearly. But I would like to take this time to thank our elders, our parents, our leaders for bringing this issue up and taking this matter very seriously. In a time where we are living in a time of equality and meritocracy, I think it's high time the government take this issue very seriously. It has been almost 50 years, there has been no changes, and the student community of our 5 tribes have been slowly and steadily facing the heat of this situation now. So, regarding this matter, Aung San Suu Kyi Dimapur as well as our Student Union Dimapur, we will stand till the end. We are with the 5 tribes committee, and then I hope and pray that the government take our issue very seriously. I thank you all, and I hope we will win this in the coming days. Thank you so much.
Makan kiman cuma kurgina se lotha hoho Dimapur nambra sobke salam jonai dia se hoho nambra American yade ki movement jai se solidarity express koribo karne khara kuri ase ki kobole ase sob leaders khan goi dia hoi jase aro 47 years to mamuli kotha ase na ki half century la kotha ase to kiman bi deprive hoi jase amakan ke itu karne itu to nohobo koi gina 5 tribes khan juma kurigina discuss kurigina committee form kurigina he tai khan opor de chhari digena fight kuri ase de itu karne till such time that the committee achieves our goal amakan sob committee piche de ase goina chonai di ase kintu খালি আমি একলাৰ পৰা দেখান পিছিতে আছে কোৱাটো নহ'ব সব ইয়াতে কিমান জমা কৰি আছে নিচে নিচে মন ভিতৰতে যাই কিনে চাবলৈ মন আছে চাবৰ হিচাপে আছে না নাই এইটো কাৰণে আমাখান till such time that the committee achieves our desired goal আমিখান কমিটিৰ লগতে সব পিছিতে আছে না নাই হালা কৰি বিটা আছে না নাই আমিতো অলপ কাণ বি আছে দে শুনা নাপাল পৰা অলপ জোৰ পৰা কমিটি পিছিতে আছে না নাই কমিটি পিছিতে আছে না নাই থেংক ইউ সো মাচ
আমি খান এইটো আজি ৰিজাৰ্ভেশ্যন পলিচি লগা চাৰ্টাৰ অফ ডিমাণ্ডছটো our 5 Naga tribes set up pura committee pura tahan all pura draft kuri dise aji pura bi dise ami itu laga tu kono gobo hoile bi tu go tu ami khan itu issue de ami khan Rengma Public Organization bi we will give our unconditional support to the committee constituted by the 5 Naga tribes. Aro, we shall continue to provide our steadfast support to the cause in the coming days, in the coming months, and in the coming years. Thank you. God bless our tribe.
আজি আমাখান এত ব্যাকওয়ার্ড কথা লাগা সিভিক কাউন্সিল ডিমাপুর পৰা আমি আপনি খান লগতে ফার্স্ট পৰা লাস্ট তক তো কোঅপারেশন দি আছে একটা গোবলে মন আছে এইটো ব্যাকলগ তে 10টা ক্যান্ডিডেট তো লাগাইছে কইলে itu backlog detai kan atta loise koile amakhan duita tu kontra bilo itu nishina de hoy jase to karen 48 years to hole damal no hoy itu karanye ami khan sati khan age te kwa khan to sob amakhan ekta kotai ase sob koi dise itu karanye আমি খান লাগা বাচ্চা খান তাই খান লাগা বাচ্চা খান ইকি কলেজতে আছে ইকি স্কুলতে আছে তাই খান লাগার স্পেশাল রিজার্ভেশন থাকি না আমার খান বাচ্চা খান তো হলে এতো বাল পুরিলে বে এতো কথা নাই এতো পুরা আমার খান বাচ্চা খান ডিসক্রিমিনেট করা তো এতো আমার খান খুশি নবে আমি খান তো গভর্নমেন্ট তো এতো অ্যাকশন নলা তাক তো লাস্ট তাক তো আমি খান তো মিলকে না ফাইট করে থাকিব কই না একটা দুটা কথা কই আছে থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ
আমি ক'বলৈ তো इस दिमापुर सिम काउंसिल भी अंतर वर्षन सिम हो सब यूनिट जैसे इतो गाड़ी इतो नाम पर अपना खान के सब सलाम जैसे आम खान तो इतो लगा रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी इतना आज मीटिंग ला तो कोबो कोयले ओलोग देर आहिशे हाफ सेंचुरी तो आहि जाइशे आरो कौन ट्राइब रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी enjoy kurgen aisha baba ama khan tu itu laga privilege pra retire hoy gena aro bacha khan pe retire globala ada rasta te aisha ama khan tu ki kurase Nagaland tu ama khan tu indigenous tribes tu 15 ase tai khan 10 tribes tu itu enjoy kurase aro ama khan 5 tribes tu 1977 pra itatak iku enjoy kura nai ami kobole tu bosa tu itu ase dei reservation policy enjoy kura chapi bosti te thaga khan rural area te thaga khan tu itu laga frust tu ki ase no zan kena ini tu kurgena hese bole bi reservation policy thaga laga khandan bi itu laga tribes bi khali kohima dimapur thaga khan hi তাই itu laga নাম পৰা হে এনজয় কৰে আৰু নবা মানুহ তাতে বস্তিতে দূৰতে বহি কিনে এটা তাকবি itu laga নহয় কিনে আৰু এনজয় কৰে এইটো বি ইনজাস্টিস আছে একটা ট্ৰাইব তে ইনটো এনজয় কৰা আছে কইলে रुरा रहते थके घर भी जो गुले बला से बोले भी इतु लगा पुलिस से प्रा है एकदम चला कुरेगे ना खाली इतु टाउन ते अर्बन ते थके खान ही इतु एंजॉय कुरेगे ना बाबा अम्मा लोई के ना छोटो उला बाचा तक भी इतु एंजॉय कुरेगे ना बोला से हम खान तो इतु बुझ के ना है इतु करने हम खान तो 1977 जे की होए के ना हम खान पास्ता ट्राइब तो इनका हो जैसे नागालैंड हम खान तो इंडिजिनस ट्राइब तो 15 आसे हम खान तो सब एक ही आसे बैकवर्ड होले सब बैकवर्ड एडवांस होले सब एडवांस उसा को बोले हम खान पास्ता ट्राइब आके ते भी कौन बात हो एजुकेशनल एडवांस भी विषय हो जाए हम खान पास्ता ट्राइब आके ते जा मानु पे दुईटा तीनटा ट्राइब तो जासे और भी तय खान तो ये तो बैकवर्ड गोता एंजॉय करेंगे ना की होइस है इनका से अपना बच्चा कलकत्ता मुंबई दिल्ली इते पूरी के ना मार्स पे पिछे बर्लिन होले भी कौन बाय तो जॉब रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी था खान तो अपना लगा बच्चा लगा मार्स पे 50% बेलो पाले भी ये तो ही जाकर ESC DSP एनपी इनका हुई के ना थाका से आज तो ये दुकान है ऑफिस चला से आरो लिखा पड़ा बाल उला खान तो ये तो एंजॉय गुनो करे ये तो कारण है सब डिस्क्रिमिनेट होइस है आजकल तो लाइकली अंडरग्राउंड तो फैक्शन तो मोर देन 20 इनका होइस है ये तो कारण है वो लोग हम खान पास्ता ट्राप तो हाला नो गुरु के ना वो लोग कमा से रोले मन तो इंडिया नागा ये तो सोल्यूशन लगा हो जाए कोट जाबो शो पाही के ने ये तो लगा प्रॉब्लम हो गया पीछे दिया हम खान तो सिविल वॉर भी उलाबो तो गाड़ी है हम खान पास्ता ट्राप तो ये तो कौन खान कोऑर्डिनेशन कमिटी हो गया ये तो लोई के ना हम खान लोई के ना अजीब बोया से हमें बिशी सिमी ओहो नंबराए ताकन के खुशी पा थैंक्स दिया से किले मने ये तो पहला पर भी गुरु आई बोल अक्षले बोले भी होसा गोबो गोली तेर होइसे एंजॉय नो गुरु के ना हादो अरे हम खान तो नो बुझी के ना किनका होए से बच्चा खान इंजबो गुरु के ना अपना बच्चा है नो पारा लगा नो हो के ना ताते पूरा है अपने भी कंपेयर गुरु भी अपना बच्चा लोई के ना कंपेयर गुरु सबे कुन जॉब रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी लोगों ते आसे ताई खान तो अपना बच्चा पर भी पुरान छना थाकिले भी दुकान तो एंजॉय करा से अपना बच्चा तो यूनिवर्सिटी ते एकदम बाल घुरे बाल मार लोई के ना हेले भी नोला ये तो गाड़ी बिशी देर नोहा के ते आज काले तो उपाय नहीं कम नो पड़ले भी अंडरग्राउंड तो जासे बोले भी पीछे ते ये तो लगा चांस भी होबो आफ्टर फ्यू इयर्स ये तो लगा चांस भी होबो आमा खान कोर पूरा आमा ट्राप पूरा और निजे ट्राप इनका जगरा खुरे है निजे कोर पूरा है जगरा खुरा शुरू हो जाबो और ये तो लगा दवाई तो एक तभी नहीं ये तो करने आमा खान ये तो खुरा तो नो छोड़बो और जाय थाकिबो गवर्नमेंट तो इंजस्टिस है से 1977 पूरा खुरी के ना इतना तक रेन्यू नो खुरा तो गवर्नमेंट तो एकदम तो एकता चला बिया लगा आइजा पुछी के इनका घुरा से और इतना तो हम खाने तो गुरुबो कुआ हुई के ना तो नागालैंड गवर्नमेंट तो जून 3 थे ये तो भी सब कमिटी खोल के ना तो गुरु के ना 3 months ये तो फैक्ट फाइंडिंग और की फाइंडिंग गुरु के ना ये तो चेते रिपोर्ट साथ में गुरु का ये तो तुम सब मिशा से ताकन गवर्नमेंट लगा डिले टेक्टिस हम खान पहुर बोले निमित्ते और ये तो गुरी के ना ठंडा हो जाब छे तो छोर बोले वो निमित्ते गुरा से हम खान इंडिविजुअली कौन पे अगेंस्ट गुरा से गुरा नहीं इंडिविजुअली कौन बा पार्टी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अगेंस्ट गुरा नहीं ये तो गाने नागालैंड गवर्नमेंट भी सब हम खान 15 ट्राइब सब मना से ये तो गाने हम खान नागालैंड गवर्नमेंट लोगों ते फाइट गुरा से ये तो गाने हम खान तो सब निजे कोर्ट भी निजे गोलन भी निजे पोर्सी भी निजे ट्राइब भी ये तो कथा है दंगारा घुरी के ना ये तो आवाज दंगारा हो के ना गवर्नमेंट भी itu amakan ke bohe lagi kena diboleh itu lagai jabo lagi. Nohole amakan tu aja tu meeting bohe se first time ase second time ahile second time kurile no ahibo third time kurile no ahibo itu no kurbi. So mana para tak no chori kena jai jabo aro amakan especially amakan sim kan to 5 tribe reservation policy committee logo te physically morally mentally 100% support kura ase aro apta kan aji itu kura pe bishi khushi pai ase kun kotha koya aise sob iki point ase etu karne is Dimapur sim council pe apno kan logo te ase goi kene etu jana da ase. Thank you all.
Action bin ahili gina ekdom sincerely ite ahina khara kori dia bra committee on behalf thank you so much janai dia ase itu hisab te oleda ami khan to pathor girili bi nahili bunishina ase itu nimide committee khange bishi encouraging ase 9 months apex body ba 9 months hoisha menge elect kori gina itu laga opor de study koribi itu laga opor de government ge fight koribi goi gina dia to 9 months hoise holi apni khala sincerity dikhila আমি কিমান দুখ পাইছে হলিবি দুখ নাপা নিচিনা ফিল কৰি আছে গুনা ইটো কথা বি আপুনি জানাই দি আছে এণ্ড থেংক ইউ so much all the media friends for your good coverage. Now we will read out our memorandum. ইটো নাপুৰাকি দি আমি একটা কথা আপুনি জানাই দিব মন আছে. Our core demand is to scrap the reservation policy or unreserved quota কিমান আছে ইটো পাঁচটা ট্ৰাইব কে দি দিবি. That is our demand. Itu hai digna ase. Itu nimite so manu itu yate bra na jage re itu duita dom monde ekdam bhalo rakhi dibo mon ase. And at the same time, we want to send a very clear message to the government. Our education face to face kiman amingan jogat korna ase, we will go according to that. Committee set up koribo, review koribo, do this and that. That is none of our business. Amingala demand ase 7 mahina age de memorandum dishe hunia nai ek mahina ultimatum dishe itu khatam hoise itu nimide amingan education shuru hoise will go ahead of that. That is a very clear message to the government. In the meantime, ongoing process there, political motivation bishi aibo, leaders kan lao borde, politician kan bra aminge weekend koribole noilibi itu education to call off koribole tribe leaders of the bishi motivation aibo holibi amian tade na giribo lage amian la stand ki ase idu khara guna amian age jabo lage idu apni ange bal kota nishna aro mundia rakhibo nimide to janai dia ase aji memorandum amian submit korbola ase dc logote. I'll read out that to the chief secretary government of Nagaland Kohima Nagaland through deputy commissioner Dimapur subject ultimatum reminder. Sir, the 5 tribes committee on review of the reservation policy, a committee mandated by the 5 tribes apex body, that is Angami Public Organization, Ausandan, Lota Hoho, Ringma Hoho, and Sumi Hoho, had submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Chief Minister on 29/2024, followed by a 30 days ultimatum on 26/4/2025. However, the said government responds through Home Commissioner Nagaland via letter dated 25/5/2025, which was received yesterday, that is 28/5/2025, failed to address the core concern and issue raised in the memorandum. We are therefore restoring to the democratic form of agitation by holding public protest rally in all the districts inhabited by 5 tribes and submitted this ultimatum reminder to remind the state government of our legitimate demand. We intend to intensify the agitation in various forms till our grievances are addressed, as brought out in the 5 tribe core Committee Memorandum of 29/2024. You are faithfully President Aw Senso Telemjung Dimapur, President Rengma Public Organization Dimapur, Chairman East Dimapur Sumi Council, President Chakro Angami Kuda Union, Chairman Dimapur Lota Hoho, President Dimapur Sumi Council. Ito amingan etia Jagina DC Dimapur ke dibo, taibra Chief Secretary ke punchai dibole. So we will proceed to the DC office. So I request all the volunteers to please assist all the participants and to look after the traffic.
Mas dele history kota sabila aji ita DC office ita punya se. Aduna mic. Aduna mic.
Whatever Regma President, they are the secretaries.
So thank you, sir, for coming out and taking time to listen to us. We just had a public rally and we want to submit a memorandum to the Chief Secretary Government of Thailand through your good office, sir, and in which the signatories are the President of the Chapro Angamikuda Unit Dimapur, the President of our Sensor Television Dimapur, the Chairman of Dimapur Lata Hoho, the President of Regma Public Organization Dimapur, the President of Dimapur Sim Council, and the Chairman of the East Dimapur Sim Council. Sir. All six are here, and I'm the Member Secretary of the committee, as well as my colleague. We are 8 of us here are here to submit this memorandum. This is our submission.
Anyway, thank you. I appreciate personally the memorandum, and I will be forwarding right now to the Chief Secretary. And we all know, like, they have convened a meeting on 3rd. Yeah. We are on 3rd of June. So let's hope, like, some concrete decision will come up. In the meantime, we'll wait and see. And if any correspondence is there, we'll let you know. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
In the meantime, I'm going to supporting the Kajisha, man weather biate. In the coming days, I'm going to face of agitation though, in the Ajidoledo, peaceful, democratic process. Second, I'm going to Secretary Dhana Kuribo. In the third phase, if the government don't listen to our voice, Amigan, all the respective districts there, including Dimapur and Jumbugitima, total shutdown Guri Dibo Amigan, itu tinta phase Toledo, Jata Toledo Janai Kurigina se, Dunimide, even in the coming days, Abningala support Lagia se, Arutu Toledo, Amilaga voice no hai, political motivation no hai, personal interest nahi, this is the voice of our younger generation. Ikia Amigan laga generation uchi daga kan nimida Amigan itu Amigan protest kuri ase to deliver justice. Itu nimida Amigan morambra partner de olibi, physical de olibi, anytime aina cooperation GB kuina Amigan ke itu appeal kuri ase. Aji Amigan mata hobo. Thank you so much everyone.
Oh,